The foot pain solution review. Do you wake up in the morning to stabbing pain when your feet hit the floor? After a long day of work, can you not wait to get home and take your shoes off? Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars on orthotics and insoles that don't work or even make your feet hurt worse? I have a solution. Have you spent countless hours researching physical therapy, massage, acupuncture, stretching, dry needling, Botox, and surgical interventions only to be totally overwhelmed and confused? Have you tried some of these techniques only to notice more pain? Have your physician talked about painful injections and the possibility of surgery? Finding solutions when you are in pain can feel impossible. With so much information out there, it's hard to decide what to do. So often, it feels like a crapshoot, hoping for something to work and end the suffering. I have been exactly where you are right now. My name is David O'Neill, and I too have suffered with plantar fasciitis and foot pain. I have been a manual therapist since 1997 and have performed more than 60,000 sessions in my clinical career. Several years ago, my clinic environment changed and I found myself standing for many hours a day on hard, uncarpeted floors. At first, I didn't think much about it. But after spending day after day on my feet, I began to suffer with what I thought was plantar fasciitis. After a consultation with a doctor, my worries were confirmed, and even as a professional therapist, I was pulled into painful therapies, custom orthotics and anti-inflammatories to try and correct my foot pain. Nothing I tried worked, and day after day I woke up with painful arches and heels. It affected my work day, my sleep patterns, activities with my family, my exercise routines, and the pain made me exhausted. None of the things that my doctor recommended worked. So I decided that I had to do something about it myself. I used my knowledge and experience as a manual therapist to take my condition into my own hands and fix my own feet. I started stretching things that were tight. I activated and began to strengthen muscles that weren't working correctly using around the house, that I knew would build strength in my shins, ankles, and arches, and I did certain movements. Within days my foot pain began to go away, and I was able to start doing the activities that I loved again. I experimented with the same tools and modalities that I use on my own patients. I used a little-known technique called PNF stretching and relied on reciprocal inhibition and post-isometric relaxation to begin to heal my feet. These techniques change the communication patterns between your brain and tissues to rid them of pain once and for all. I decided that I wanted to teach people how to get rid of their pain using these amazing techniques, without having to go to the doctor or therapist. I didn't want them to have to spend a lot of money on expensive tools that don't work. And I wanted to make it super simple for anyone to use. I created an exact step-by-step method to eliminating foot pain. I made it so easy that a 7-year-old could follow the program. And I made it incredibly affordable so that anyone could fix their own foot pain in the comfort of their own home. Your foot pain won't get better on its own, and today is your opportunity to take your health into your hands and fix your own feet. I don't want anyone to experience debilitating foot pain ever again. Programs like the Foot Pain Solution can be sold for hundreds of dollars. But in an effort to help as many people as possible, our Foot Pain Solution can be yours today for less than a doctor visit or a pair of cheap insoles. Don't cancel your evening plans or that vacation ever again because you're incapacitated by pain. Refuse to tell your kids or grandchildren no because you hurt too bad to play. Don't miss another day of work because of your tired, aching feet. I have a solution for you. It is convenient, easy to do, inexpensive, and it really works. You can continue to spend a ton of money on orthotics, insoles, and physiotherapy that just temporarily fixes the pain. Most of the remedies are just masking the pain in Korea, even more damage to your feet. It is time to change the pattern for good. So where does that leave us? It leaves us with only one all-natural, in-home option of fixing your pain yourself. With The Foot Pain Solution, you will receive expert, step-by-step instruction to eliminate in your foot pain. You can experience a substantial reduction in pain in just 5 to 10 days, and a full resolution of pain in 8 to 10 weeks. Now, this is a program that you will have to be diligent about using. This is not a quick fix pill to get rid of your pain. If you can't give 10 to 15 minutes every day to care for your feet, then this program may not be for you. But, if you're tired of dealing with foot pain, you can give a little time every day for self-care, and can follow along with a simple step-by-step protocol to stretch your tight tissues and activate the tissues that are weak. Then this program is for you and it will work. It's time for you to be pain-free. To get further information about the foot pain solution, check the link as below video.